In this video, we explore the best GoPro alternatives on the market, perfect for adventure seekers and casual users alike. From budget-friendly options to high-end alternatives, we'll compare features like camera quality, durability, and stabilization. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or thrilling sports action, these devices offer impressive performance and versatility. Join us as we dive into our top picks, ensuring you find the ideal action camera to suit your needs. Don't miss out on these fantastic options. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Akaso Brave 7LE, our pick for best budget GoPro alternative. If you're a vlogger seeking an affordable yet feature-rich action camera, the Akaso Brave 7LE might just be the perfect fit for you. This budget-friendly camera delivers impressive 4K video quality, ensuring your adventures are captured in stunning detail. With its 6-axis stabilization system, you'll benefit from surprisingly smooth footage that makes your videos look professional without breaking the bank. While it doesn't offer 60 frames per second at 4K resolution, the 30 FPS option is more than adequate for most vlogging needs. Personally, I find that 30 frames per second works perfectly for my content, and when I dive into something a bit more thrilling, I don't mind sacrificing a touch of resolution. Plus, the option for 2.7K at 60 frames per second gives you flexibility without dropping down to 1080p. The front-facing screen is a fantastic feature for framing your shots, although you'll need a little time to get used to its compact size. Keep in mind that its waterproof capabilities aren't robust, so caution is key if you're planning on taking it into the waves. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7LE stands out as an excellent choice for vloggers looking for affordable quality in a GoPro alternative. Number 4. Yi 4K Plus, our pick for best affordable GoPro alternative. The Yi 4K Plus has quickly become a noteworthy contender in the action camera market, offering a compelling alternative to GoPro at nearly half the price. Designed with durability in mind, this sleek camera features a user-friendly large touchscreen that makes navigating settings a breeze. With the ability to record stunning 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and even capture impressive slow-motion footage at 720p, 240 FPS, it delivers great quality for your adventures, though it may struggle a bit in overly bright conditions. While it includes electronic image stabilization, it's worth noting that it might not outperform some competitors. The Yi 4K Plus focuses on delivering essential features, including popular modes like slow motion and time-lapse, ensuring you can capture those memorable moments. Another highlight is its impressive battery life, so you can keep filming for longer. However, it's essential to remember that the Yi 4K Plus isn't waterproof out of the box, so you'll need to invest in additional housing for aquatic escapades. Overall, if you're looking for crisp, distortion-free videos and photos comparable to the GoPro Hero 4, the Yi 4K Plus is sure to impress without breaking the bank. Dive into your next adventure with a reliable camera that suits your needs. Still looking for the perfect GoPro alternatives to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. GoPro Hero 7, our pick for best waterproof GoPro alternative. Get ready to level up your adventure footage with the GoPro Hero 7. This waterproof marvel is your best alternative if you're searching for high-quality action shots. Its standout feature, Hypersmooth, delivers stabilization that rivals a gimbal. It means your clips will be smooth and professional without additional gear. Time Warp lets you capture incredible time-lapse videos as you move through dynamic scenes. You can crank the speed all the way to 30x, transforming long activities into quick, shareable moments. Notably, live streaming in 720p is seamless. You can broadcast while ensuring your footage is saved directly to your SD card. Rugged durability shines through with Hero 7. It's waterproof to 33 feet, making it perfect for underwater adventures. You can rely on it during wild escapades without worrying about damage. Super Photo stands out as well. It uses smart processing to enhance your photos automatically, so you never miss a brilliant shot. Voice control adds convenience to your experience. Simple commands like GoPro, take a photo, allow for hands-free operation. It supports various languages, making it accessible for everyone. What I love most is its compact design, ensuring portability. On the flip side, battery life could be better. Frequent recharging may interrupt your sessions. However, this product's many outstanding features easily overshadow that minor annoyance. Dive into your next adventure and discover more about the GoPro Hero 7. Number 2. DJI Action 2, our pick for best value GoPro alternative. DJI, a leading innovator in drone technology, has also made waves in the action camera realm with its Osmo Action series. The introduction of the Osmo Action was a game changer for competitors like GoPro, especially with its unique front screen. Fast forward to 2021, and we have the Action 2, which redefines what we expect from action cameras. This new model is not just a simple upgrade, it's a transformative design. The Action 2 features an ultra-compact 39 by 39mm square body, and its magnetic clip allows you to attach various accessories for enhanced connectivity, extended battery life, and even a vlogging screen. It's designed for versatility and can adapt to meet your creative needs. While it evokes nostalgia with its cuboid shape reminiscent of the GoPro Session, the Action 2 offers modern functionality, including impressive image stabilization and a larger 1/7-inch sensor. The modular design means you can wear just the camera portion with a magnet, making it perfect for on-the-go recording. Control is intuitive with a touchscreen, although limited by size, yet the front touchscreen attachment brings added convenience for vlogging. While it may not completely replace a GoPro Hero, the Action 2 stands out as an exciting and affordable alternative. Whether you're into action sports or simply looking for a versatile camera, it's worth checking out. Dive into our full review for more insights. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Akaso EK7000 Pro, our pick for best GoPro alternative overall. Looking for an action camera that doesn't break the bank? Akaso EK7000 Pro delivers top-tier performance without the hefty price tag. This camera impresses with stunning 4K 30 frames per second videos and 20 megapixel photos, capturing every thrilling moment clearly. Its intuitive UI stands out. A 2-inch IPS touchscreen makes navigation a breeze, letting you easily tweak settings and switch between shooting modes. Previewing and playback become enjoyable tasks instead of chores. When it comes to stability, this camera excels. Built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, ensures your videos remain steady, especially during fast-paced adventures. Get ready to film bike rides or sports without shaky footage, ruining your epic moments. Diving enthusiasts will appreciate its waterproof capabilities. With an upgraded waterproof case, this model functions down to an impressive 131 feet. Whether you're snorkeling or surfing, capture every splash and dive without a worry. Battery should never be a concern. Equipped with 2 rechargeable 1,350 mAh batteries, each offers up to 140 minutes of recording time. Enjoy lengthy sessions without frequently reaching for your charger. What stands out most is the value packed into this model. Competing cameras may offer similar specs, but often at a higher price. While some models have more advanced features, this model strikes an excellent balance of affordability and quality. One minor aspect is that the build might feel a touch less rugged compared to pricier competitors, but it still withstands most adventures. Curious to enhance your filming game? Check out the Akaso EK7000 Pro today. So that wraps up our list of the best GoPro alternatives. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which GoPro alternatives you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.